So someone wanted to know about convergence spasm. And in order to know anything about this, you need to know that vergence is a slow movement versus a saccade, and pursuit is a version. It goes in the same direction. But both convergence and divergence go the opposite direction. So when you have convergence, both eyes are adducting, and when you have divergence, both are abducting, versus looking to the right or the left, levoversion or dextroversion or supraversion. And so this vergence movement is a slow movement. It's convergence, which means it's going to converge on the target at near. And convergent spasm means that you are having too much innervation of the convergence. And the reason it's going to cause diplopia is at distance, you can't have convergence. So if you converge, you're only supposed to be doing that at near. And so if you converge because of convergent spasm, but you're looking at a distant target, you'll get diplopia. Now, amazingly, every time you converge, you have diplopia at distance. This is a physiologic diplopia. It happens in everybody at every time. And so the reason you don't notice the physiologic diplopia is that you're just ignoring the distance image. So every time you converge, you get diplopia. You just don't notice it. That is a physiologic diplopia. But if you have convergent spasm, you're having the spasm of convergence when you're looking at distance. And so the thing that normally would be physiologic is now pathologic, because at distance the target will be double, because you're supposed to diverge when you look at a distance target. So the reason that convergent spasm causes diplopia is you're looking at the target at distance and not at near. The normal physiologic diplopia will now become a pathologic diplopia, and convergent spasm is normally not organic. It's a voluntary thing. However, there are some organic causes of spasm, and you need to look at the entire patient for the other markers of dorsal midbrain disease or other pathologic neurologic findings before you ascribe it to a voluntary, non-organic, functional visual disorder, convergent spasm.